Hi, welcome to Maptive. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you all the ways that you can access your map view. Starting on your home screen, you can see which maps have a map view under the submaps. Here I show one. This is my map called Where's a Map View. And when I click that one, it opens the folder showing here's my map view. And to get to that map, you simply click its name instead of the other name. And now we're in that map view. You can always go back to the original by clicking here to get back to the map. You also have the ability to get into your map views through this little button here where your maps and save map views are. And you can simply click on the little caret there and go right back into here's a map view. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out to us. Thanks for watching. Bye.